If you're wondering if TD has American money, you are not alone. It's a question many people have, whether they're a Canadian heading to the States or someone in the US who needs to handle foreign currency. So, does TD have American money? The short answer is yes, they absolutely do, and in a few different forms. TD provides a number of ways for you to handle US dollars. The most common is through their foreign currency exchange services. If you're a Canadian customer, you can order US dollars for your travels right from your TD branch. Most branches keep US dollars, euros, and British pounds on hand for immediate exchange. If you need a larger amount or a different currency, you can order it online through EasyWeb or the TD app and pick it up at a branch in a few business days. TD also offers US dollar accounts for both Canadian and American residents. For Canadians, a TD US dollar account is great for people who travel to the US often or have cross-border transactions. It allows you to save and spend in US dollars without constantly dealing with conversion fees and fluctuating exchange rates. You can easily transfer money between your Canadian and US dollar accounts using their online banking services. For those in the US, TD Bank, America's most convenient bank, is a separate U.S. subsidiary of the Toronto Dominion Bank. It offers a full suite of U.S. banking products, including checking and savings accounts in U.S. dollars. TD has a whole system built for people who live, work, or travel across the Canada-U.S. border. This cross-border banking system makes it simple to manage your finances in both countries. For example, you can transfer money between a Canadian TD Canada Trust account and a US TD Bank account, which is super helpful if you have a property in one country and live in the other. They also offer a US dollar Visa card for Canadian residents, which helps you avoid foreign currency conversion fees on purchases made in US dollars. So, whether you just need a small amount of cash for a quick trip or you're looking for a long-term solution for managing your money in both currencies, TD has a range of services to meet those needs.